Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चे. Good morning. Keep your
Ma'am.
cameras on. हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, can you send the solutions of worksheet so that we can check our...
You want the solution of the worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We will discuss it here right now in the class. You don't worry for that. Right? I think we have.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चे. Good morning, Krishna.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Krishna, please ask.
मैम आपने जो फाइल भेजी थी मैम वो ओपन नहीं हो रही है.
Not possible. So you want me to share that?
मैम
अच्छा चलो ठीक है. Maybe your mobile does not have sufficient this thing to support it. I'll share the image of that, right?
थैंक यू मैम.
Fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vishesh. How are you?
Ma'am, fine.
I think this is the first class that you are attending or the second?
Ma'am, first and second, ma'am, I was not able to attend few classes, ma'am, a week ago, ma'am, because of health issues.
क्या हुआ बच्चे? Not keeping well?
Yes, ma'am, I had COVID symptoms. That's why I couldn't.
Are you now all right? हाँ?
भैया मैंने नहीं रखा, मैं दीदी को बोल के कर रहा हूँ.
बेटा अब ठीक हो आप विशेष?
Yes, ma'am.
Completely you have recovered?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's really very good. So you really need to take precautions. In the morning class, I was telling these students that the way the cases are increasing, you people need to be very careful.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Okay, so we have 26 here in the class, waiting for the others to come. So by that time, I think this is your history class. So we'll start with the new chapter of history. I think that day I gave you the introduction of the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
मोदी से बात करूँगी चैनल पे.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
होती है ना.
So, shall I share the screen with you all?
मोबाइल दूं फिर?
बेटा ये अपने आप को म्यूट करो. ये कौन बोल रही है? हाँ.
Good morning, ma'am.
गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा हर्षित. मतलब इधर मैम ने मैसेज डाला, इधर तुरंत आप लोग क्लास में आ गए. बच्चे टाइम तो देखा करो. 8:10 मतलब 8:10. बिफोर दैट आई एम इन अनदर क्लास. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. अच्छा, बिफोर वी स्टार्ट विद द चैप्टर, लेट अस डिस्कस द वर्कशीट फर्स्ट. राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me open the WhatsApp web. कहाँ गया?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. It's not connecting now.
Ma'am, do you know, ma'am,
Yes,
today, ma'am, today at 10:30 10:30 a.m.
हाँ.
मैम अभी मैम मोदी जी मैम कुछ मैम कॉन्फ्रेंस या कुछ ऐसे करेंगे मैम, उसमें वो बताएंगे लॉकडाउन के बारे में कि लगेगा.
हाँ बेटा, कल हमने पढ़ा था इसके बारे में.
हम लगना चाहिए.
लगना चाहिए. देखो हमें तो वैसे भी कोई फर्क नहीं है. हमारी क्लासेस तो चल रही हैं, है ना. तो लॉकडाउन लग जाएगा तो भी हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. बस ये है कि थोड़ा मूवमेंट कम हो जाएगा तो वो सभी के लिए अच्छा रहेगा.
मैम पूरा नहीं, मैम वीकेंड लॉकडाउन लगे.
हाँ.
सैटरडे
ये देखो पता नहीं क्या है. हाँ.
मैम मतलब मैम वीकेंड लगे मैम, तभी ज्यादा लोग निकलते हैं सैटरडे संडे को।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, सही कह रहे हो आप।
Ma'am, yesterday, ma'am, a couple, ma'am, in Delhi, ma'am,
हाँ
when police stopped, ma'am, them, ma'am, they
हाँ
were fighting with them.
हाँ, I know, I saw it yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
These kind of people, they set wrong examples actually. What to do?
Ma'am, what?
He's telling that yesterday, you know, one couple was arguing with the police when they stopped them.
Yes, ma'am, I saw it on
It
India
was there.
Today.
It was there. Okay, shall we discuss the worksheet if you people have it with you?
Yes मैम।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Let's start then. Okay, so the first answer is
97 degree, 25 minutes.
25 minutes east.
okay. Written?
Yes मैम।
Krishna, beta Krishna written? Krishna, can you take the screenshot of this screen? Krishna, are you there? Chal, next. Anshika, second question.
Ma'am, this worksheet we have to do in our fair copy.
Yes, beta, you have to do this in the fair notebooks. Second answer, name the
मैम
island
इसके
group.
आंसर्स
इसके आंसर्स अभी बता, तो हम डिस्कस कर तो रहे हैं बच्चे. है ना? Second one.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Divyansh.
Ma'am, Lakshadweep.
It is Lakshadweep. Very good. Then third one. Third one.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Taran, tell.
The Park Street.
It is the Park Street. Very good. Next.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Ishi.
Well,
Ma'am, Mihika.
अच्छा, sorry, Mihika, बताओ बच्चे. So sorry,
Ma'am,
बताइए.
Bangladesh.
हाँ?
Ma'am, Bangladesh.
It is the neighboring country that has the longest land border with India is Bangladesh. Very good. Then,
May I tell?
ma'am, may I
Yes.
tell? Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I
yes,
tell?
Taran.
Ma'am, I have not given a single answer.
Ma'am, may
Okay,
I?
Taran, let Taran give the answer. Let Taran give the answer. Okay,
Ma'am,
Taran.
India is the 7th largest country and second populated country.
Yes, India is the 7th largest in terms of area and second most populous country. Very good. Next is Harshit Oberoi.
Ma'am, me.
मी का नाम बताओ, मेरे को कोई दिख थोड़ी रहा है स्क्रीन पे.
Ma'am, Taran.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I tell? Divyansh.
अच्छा, wait.
Ma'am, may I
Divyansh,
tell?
wait. Is the recording
Yes,
going
ma'am.
on? Please tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next question is the length of the land, frontier, and coastline of India. Do we have Saksham in the class?
No मैम।
Saksham is not there. Vyom. Vyom,
Ma'am, don't know this answer.
don't know this answer. Aradhe?
Ma'am, it is the same here.
It is the same. Fine. Then we have Arihant. Arihant,
Yes, ma'am.
tell answer to question number 7.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know? We have Ishi in the class.
Ma'am, actually, I have not done this worksheet.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Anshika, Avantika.
Marushi.
Acha, Arushi, okay, Arushi, tell beta.
India has land boundary of 15,200 kilometers and length of coastline, including Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep, is 7,516.6 kilometers.
Very good, bacha. Very good. Very good, Arushi. Next.
Ma'am, next item.
Yes, yes,
May I
Vyom.
tell?
Okay, wait.
May I tell? I was telling.
Vyom.
Ma'am,
Haan.
ma'am, the longitude of the standard time meridian are, ma'am, 82 degree 30 minutes east, and ma'am, the city of Uttar Pradesh which crosses it is Mirzapur.
Very good. All have written? Next, beta, tell the name. You tell your name, so and so, okay?
Ma'am, Parush.
हाँ, बताओ Parush beta.
Ma'am, ma'am, the two water bodies, ma'am, which separate India from Sri Lanka are, ma'am, Bay of Bengal and ma'am, Indian Ocean.
Two water bodies that separate India from Sri Lanka. Nahi, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
No, it is not Bay of Bengal.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes,
Divyansh,
Jivyansh. Yes, Jivyansh, tell beta.
Ma'am, Park Street and ma'am, Gulf of
Mannar.
Mannar.
Very good. Park State and Gulf of Mannar. Very good. Next, Taranjot. North-south extension of India.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the question.
They are asking you the latitudinal extent, beta. Sorry, longitudinal, latitudinal extent of India, north-south.
Ma'am, I don't know this one.
Okay. We have Saksham in the class. Ahana?
Yes, ma'am.
Saksham, बताओ बेटा इसका आंसर. Saksham?
Ma'am, Tropic of Cancer.
नहीं. तारा क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है? कह रहा है what is the
Ma'am, may I tell?
south extent of India? Yes, Ahana, tell. Ahana.
Ma'am,
3,124 kilometers.
Yes, 3,214 kilometers. You know what? This means that you people have not done that map, which is on page number 4. That I told you to.
No, I was knowing this.
So this is what I told you, no?
Ma'am, I thought that you were asking some latitudes something.
No, I told you the latitudinal extent. भाई नॉर्थ से साउथ में लैटिट्यूड तो बने हुए हैं, लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट तो बताओगे आप. ईस्ट टू वेस्ट अगर हम पूछते हैं तो दैट इज लॉन्गिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट. डिग्रीज तो नहीं बताना है आपको, डिस्टेंस बताना है. जो डिस्टेंस लिखा हुआ है उन लाइंस के ऊपर, दैट डिस्टेंस यू आर सपोज्ड टू टेल. गॉट इट?
So, ma'am,
Yes,
what is the
ma'am.
answer? Can you please repeat?
Answer to this north-south extent of India is 3,214 kilometers.
Ma'am, can you repeat the eighth answer?
Which one?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, we do not have to write the latitude in degrees.
No. That is not asked. Only the distance extent they are asking. That what is the distance between the two latitudes of north to south.
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer of eighth question?
Eighth one is Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar.
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer question number 7?
82.5 degrees east longitude is the standard time meridian of India.
The city is Mirzapur.
And the city is, it passes through Allahabad in Mirzapur, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And where is Allahabad and Mirzapur?
UP.
UP, Uttar Pradesh. Very good.
Ma'am,
Ji beta.
ma'am, what is the answer of fourth question?
It is Bangladesh.
And ma'am, Allahabad is in Mirzapur.
Mirzapur is in Allahabad and Allahabad is in UP.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell the 10th one, ma'am? Polish,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, Parush, बताइए बेटा.
Ma'am, 10th one is, ma'am, 7,000 kilometers.
Distance has been reduced by Suez Canal between India and Europe. Very good. Next.
Ma'am, it's 7,000 kilometers.
Yes, Prakhar. Prakhar Kumar, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell the answer of question number 11. With reference to the longitude, India is situated in which hemisphere?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Taran.
Eastern Hemisphere.
It is the eastern hemisphere. Then name the state having common border with Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh.
May I tell?
Okay. Tell. Ahana. हाँ.
Ma'am, Sikkim.
नहीं बेटा. State
Ma'am,
having.
may I tell?
Yes,
West Bengal.
yes, Saksham.
West Bengal.
Saksham. Very good. West Bengal. West Bengal has common borders with Nepal, Bhutan, as well as Bangladesh, right?
How with Bhutan?
बेटा इंडिया का मैप खोलो. दार्जिलिंग जो है आपका, असम जो है थोड़ा सा बाद में शुरू होता है. सिक्किम के नीचे दार्जिलिंग है. दार्जिलिंग से थोड़ा सा जब आप when you are looking at the map and when you move towards the right, ईस्टर्न स्टेट से जब आप बढ़ते हो तो भूटान से भी बॉर्डर शेयर होता है ना वेस्ट बंगाल का, क्योंकि दार्जिलिंग वेस्ट बंगाल का ही तो पार्ट है.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, फाइन. नेक्स्ट इज.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I tell?
चलो let Mihika tell. Let Mihika tell. Yes, Mihika.
Ma'am, Gulf of Khambat and Gulf of Kutch.
Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambat are the two gulfs that are located along the Gujarat coast. Very good. Two countries are sharing land boundaries with India in the east.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Okay.
Ma'am, may I tell?
We have.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait. Yes, Anshika, tell beta.
Ma'am, Sri Lanka and Maldives.
East.
Ma'am, may I tell? May I tell?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
May I tell?
Afghanistan.
Wait. Yes, Anshika, tell.
Ma'am, Pakistan and Afghanistan.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Come inside the screen.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait, Aradhe, you know?
Ma'am, of 14th question.
Beta, 14th question. East में the two countries that share land borders with India in the east.
Ma'am,
May I?
चलो Taran.
Ma'am,
I know.
Taran.
Ma'am, Bangladesh and Myanmar.
Yes, Bangladesh and Myanmar. अंशिका, आप तो वेस्ट में चले गए पाकिस्तान, फिर पहले साउथ में चले गए आप.
Ma'am, someone went in south.
हाँ, वही तो. चलो, never mind.
And ma'am, there is no land boundaries also. No.
Exactly. Sri Lanka is an island country. It does not share any land borders with India, right, Anshika?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So next time, be careful. Name one each union territory along the western coast and eastern coast. This answer.
Ma'am, may I tell?
No. Wait. Aryan, are you there in the meeting?
may I tell?
Wait, Saksham, wait. Aryan Gangwar. Aryan? Hanji, Aryan Gangwar.
Yes, ma'am. There was very much internet connection. That's why of mic was not opening.
Acha, tell me this question. One union territory each along the western coast and the eastern coast.
Ma'am, which one?
Question number 15th.
Ma'am, where is 15?
Where is 15th? Okay, let me go to the next page. Here it is. Can you see?
And one each along with the western coast. Ma'am, Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh.
Oh my God. are the
Ma'am,
union
may I-
territories?
Ma'am,
Are
may
the
I?
union territories?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait a moment,
Ma'am, may
wait a
I?
moment, wait a moment.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Are
Ma'am,
ये
are you-
बेटा ये क्या यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं बच्चे?
No, ma'am, sorry.
इट्स ओके, बताओ अब बताओ, यूनियन टेरिटरीज बताओ.
Ma'am, I don't know. Ma'am, I'm not able to remember.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I? Please.
ओके,
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, can I tell?
May I?
ये लास्ट में किसने बोला
Ma'am,
क्या
may
है
I?
वो बता दो भाई. वेट,
Ma'am, Divyansh Arora.
बताओ
Ma'am,
बच्चे
Taranjot
बताओ.
Singh.
हाँ, तरन इसके बाद बताएंगे, तरन इसके बाद बताएंगे, ठीक है? चलो, टेल.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in the eastern, ma'am, Andaman and Nicobar Island, and ma'am, in western, ma'am, Daman and Diu.
वेस्टर्न और ईस्टर्न कोस्ट के साइड में पूछा है बेटा.
Ma'am, may I
Ma'am,
tell?
may I?
Ma'am, may I
अब तरन
tell?
बताएंगे.
may I
तरन,
tell?
now तरन will tell.
Ma'am,
तरन,
this child didn't get a
Ma'am,
chance.
at the eastern coast, Puducherry, and at the western coast, Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu.
very good, very good. So now, Vishesh, you want to answer any of the questions?
I see me.
Ma'am, I can answer 16th one.
Can you define peninsula?
Ma'am, peninsula is an island that has been covered by water from three sides.
Iceland नहीं है, it is an island. But peninsula जो है island भी नहीं
I
होता है
see
बेटा.
shrimp.
Peninsula is basically a triangular
Ma'am, piece of
landmass.
land.
A triangular landmass that is surrounded by water from three sides, right?
I see roller coaster.
Yes,
I see
ma'am.
horse.
Right? Can you
Sorry,
tell this
I
again?
couldn't guess it.
Ma'am, a
I
landmass
see
which has three sides. Ma'am, a triangular landmass which has been covered by water from three
I
sides.
see people
Surrounded, not covered, surrounded by
hair.
water from three
or water
sides.
slide
Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
or
Very
backpack.
good.
Oh, I
What is
know.
the geographical
It's
area of
butterfly.
India and what is the percentage in relation to world area?
I see here.
This
Ma'am, may I tell?
May I tell?
रुको,
All
चलो,
may I
चलो,
tell?
इशी.
hourglass. Oh, I know.
Ma'am, area is 3.28 million square kilometer and percentage is 2.4%.
I see
Of the
string bean
world area. Very good.
or
Very
triangle
good. Now,
or street light or skyscraper.
Himanshu, are you there in the class,
Oh, I
beta?
know. It's lipstick.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me that in which year the Suez
see
Canal was opened?
Or potato. Oh, I know. It's
Okay,
head.
Ma'am, 1869.
It was in 1869. Very good. Now, Utkarsh
Ma'am,
Gangwar.
may I tell?
Utkarsh, wait, Utkarsh.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me that what is the full form of IST?
Indian Standard Time.
Very good. Can Khyati tell me that when and how was Indira Point submerged under the sea water? Khyati, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am,
Okay.
in 2004,
हाँ.
due to tsunami, the
Very good.
Indira Point gets submerged.
Got submerged under the sea water. Very good. Then we have Jai
Ma'am, I am
Kanodia.
not
Wait,
told the answer.
Wait, Sakshi. Jai Kanodia. Jai Kanodia. जय मीटिंग से बाहर चले गए क्या ये? कनौजिया जी सुनिए. जय.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, ये बताइए कि the term that is used to describe a country surrounded by land on all its side is called a?
No.
ये हमने क्लास 7 में करा था.
Ma'am,
Anybody
may I
want to
tell?
answer? Yes, सक्षम.
Ma'am, I.
Ma'am, can I tell?
सक्षम.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, सक्षम बताओ बेटा.
Ma'am, island.
ना.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, Divyansh.
And
Ma'am,
21
landlord.
question.
Landlocked.
question number 21 I asked you. It is called landlocked. बेटा कोई भी एरिया जो कि सारी तरफ से लैंड से कवर्ड होता है इज कॉल्ड अ लैंडलॉक्ड एरिया. ठीक है?
Ma'am,
लैंडलॉक्ड. LOCKED. लॉक्ड. Clear? Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Next is states of India neither
Ma'am,
have
question number 22 is already done in the notebook.
So still I would like to ask, let me see how many of you have, by hearted that. Chalo, ye ruko.
Ma'am, we have to name all
Ma'am,
the
may I
states.
tell?
Yeah.
May I tell?
May I tell?
Ma'am, may I
Arre,
tell?
wait.
May I tell?
Yashika, are you there, Yashika? Yashika Saxena? चलिए नहीं है यशिका. Shivansh?
Ma'am.
Shivansh, tell me this question. The states of India that neither have a coastline or nor have international borders. How many states of India are?
Ma'am, five.
Five. Okay.
Five.
Can you name them?
Ma'am, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh,
Very good.
Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Telangana.
Very good, Shivansh. Very good. I hope everybody knows this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is Purvi. Which is the easternmost state of India?
I have not received a single
Ma'am, may I tell?
chance.
Who is this? Who has not received a single chance? Shreya?
Ma'am, I,
Athar Verma.
Taranjot.
Huh?
Athar Verma.
अच्छा अथर
Athar
वर्मा.
Verma.
I was calling your name. You were not listening. चलो अथर बताओ. आप बताओ. Which is the easternmost state of the country?
Ma'am, it is Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay, Arunachal Pradesh. Very good. Can you tell me the smallest state of India?
Ma'am, Gujarat.
Smallest
Ma'am,
state?
Goa.
Ma'am, Goa.
Goa.
Exactly. Shreya, are you there, beta? Shreya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me this answer. The important latitude that divides India in about 2 equal parts.
Ma'am, Tropic of Cancer.
Can you name the states through which Tropic of Cancer passes?
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Ma'am,
tell.
Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, and ma'am, Jharkhand, ma'am,
Then?
ma'am, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, and Mizoram.
Okay.
And ma'am, Tripura also.
Tripura is also there, beta. Tripura is also there.
Yes, ma'am. Tripura also.
Fine. Very good. Now tell me the next question. Shreya will only answer this question. Where are the Andaman and Nicobar Island located? And tell Shreya.
Ma'am, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the eastern side of a country that is in the Bay of Bengal.
Very good. So you need to specify that they are located in the Bay of Bengal, right? In the eastern part.
Yes.
Very good. Other than what questions are given over here, this question is for Shashank. Shashank, are you there? Chutku Shashank? Shashank, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Shashank?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Khyati? Khyati, you are connected with 2 devices?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Huh? Why, bache?
Ma'am, I have some technical issues, so I'm joined with 2 devices.
Chalo, no problems, no problems. Fine. Acha, can Khyati tell this answer? Shall I ask you?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
I have not put up the question only. Name the city which is surrounded by water from 3 sides.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Mari.
No.
Can I tell?
Ma'am, Kanyakumari.
Yes, it is Kanyakumari. Very good, beta. Chalo. Question that is in the worksheet. Can you name two neighboring countries of India which do not share land boundaries with India?
Ma'am,
May I tell?
Purvi Singh. Purvi Singh. Purvi.
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ पूर्वी इसका आंसर. वो दो नेबरिंग कंट्रीज जो लैंड बॉर्डर शेयर नहीं करती हैं कंट्री के साथ.
Ma'am from India.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am from India. Okay.
हाँ भाई हाँ.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
Purvi.
Bangladesh.
Purvi is telling no.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ पूर्वी बताओ.
Ma'am,
वो दो कंट्रीज जो इंडिया के साथ लैंड बॉर्डर शेयर नहीं करती हैं फिर भी इंडिया की नेबरिंग कंट्रीज हैं. Now tell. Quick. Purvi, this much time.
Ma'am, Sri Lanka, ma'am, I don't know, like, ma'am, I'm not sure. Sri Lanka?
हाँ श्रीलंका ठीक है. और दूसरा बताइए.
Sri Lanka and Maldives.
Yes, very good. Maldives. Who was this? Purvi only?
Ma'am, Khyati.
Khyati. वही तो. चलो ठीक है. Good. With this, I think we come to an end of the discussion of worksheet. Now I hope you all will.
The second part of this answer.
Second part of this answer. Okay. Name the mention the geographical features that separate Sri Lanka and Maldives from India. This answer, who will tell? Volunteer. Volunteer, who will tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Ma'am, may I?
May I? Ma'am, may I?
Saksham,
May I?
व्योम बताओ
May
बेटा.
I?
बताओ व्योम.
Ma'am,
Sri Lanka, ma'am, for Sri Lanka, ma'am, it's ma'am Park State and ma'am Gulf of Mannar.
Yes. And for Maldives it is?
Ma'am, for Maldives, ma'am, don't know, ma'am. Ma'am, Arabian Sea.
Arabian Sea नहीं. हाँ Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea में
Ma'am, Arabian Sea.
No, not Arabian Sea. कह रहा है कौन सा? Lakshadweep Islands. Exactly. Yes. Very clearly it is given in the book, beta. Last page of the chapter. That means you people have not read the chapter thoroughly. And tomorrow I'll be taking your test. Do you know? I told you, no, in the geography class I'll be taking test.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you said on next Friday.
Unwritten test.
Written,
you
of
said
course.
that you will
Of course,
do
it will
next
be a written test. No, listen. You have history tomorrow, but we will do geography test. And the day we have geography 2 periods, I'll do history with you. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
So be prepared tomorrow. And I want maximum strength. Today, 30, 31 participants were there. So make sure that all are there. Okay? Tomorrow as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine? Now, anything that is not understood in this chapter, all clear, all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any sort of doubt that you people have?
Ma'am, map work.
Okay, what is the doubt? Please ask.
Ma'am, I don't know what the maps are.
You don't know what the maps are. Anybody in the class who
Yes.
can help? Anybody in the class? Huh?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, on page number 4, ma'am, the blue box find out, ma'am. Ma'am, first 3 questions, ma'am, we have to do in a one map, ma'am, and the last question we have to do in another map, ma'am. And ma'am, on the page number, ma'am, 6, ma'am, in the map skills, ma'am, we have to do 7th and 8th question, ma'am. In one map.
Also of states and union territories.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Map on page number 3.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
बताओ बेटा, बता दिया?
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं, only 2 maps you have told about. What about the other maps?
Ma'am, I have told ma'am that, ma'am, on page number 4, ma'am, in find out blue box, ma'am, first 3 questions we have to do in one map, ma'am, and the last question we have to do in another map, ma'am, and on page number 6, ma'am, in map skills, ma'am, we have to do 7th and 8th question in one map, ma'am. And ma'am, also we have to mark all the states and union territories in one map.
Yes.
And ma'am, one map on page number 3, standard meridian.
That standard meridian one also you have to tell.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Right?
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can you please tell me that, ma'am, I get to know that which map we have to do. Ma'am, but ma'am, can you please tell that the map, in which map we have to do the sub maps?
No, everything you have to mark. Everything in the India political map. Everything in India political. No one is going to use physical map. Physical map will be used only for one map, that in which you are showing the north-south extent, then east-west extent, standard meridian, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Only that map to be done in physical map of India. Rest all the maps to be in the political map, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Fine. In tomorrow's test that I'll be taking, I will be asking you questions in between and the map work that you people have done, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So ma'am, we'll
Ma'am,
have
can
to
you press the question number 1 and 2 once again?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we'll have to draw the maps in tomorrow's test.
No, you don't have to draw. You will be asked questions based on the map.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Clear?
Somebody discuss the question number 1 and 2 of exercises once again.
Of exercises once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have time?
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Huh?
Ma'am, 2 minutes are left.
Only 2 minutes are left, no?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, it will be written or oral.
But it will be a written test. You all will be
Okay.
doing this test in your geography notebooks. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, class? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji. Any other thing? Beta, have I given you any flowchart for this chapter?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Yes,
with class 9th B, I think I have done a flowchart with them.
Ma'am, only in civics you have given the flowcharts.
Only in civics I have given. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So I will be sharing. I'll be sharing a flowchart with you people, so that you know your learning becomes little easy with this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. I think anytime the meeting is going to end. So all the best for your tomorrow's test. Come, be prepared, and make sure that you don't miss the class. Okay. Only because it is a test, you don't attend. That does not make sense, right? If you are there, you will learn only. Right, class?